Hi born everyone. I'm doing this video for the children who recently sat for O-level exam 2024 O-level, and at the same time who already have chosen and who are struggling. Doesn't matter, who are struggling on choosing your stream, the proper stream, the most suitable stream for you. So I'll be like talking simply, no big matters here, no rocket science in choosing your stream. So we'll be talking in our video basically in two parts. In my discussion, I'm going to talk about as those two parts about the subject and the profession. So let us say you have been dreaming throughout these years by watching the videos, by knowing by the persons, knowing by your loved ones, knowing by like watching uh, the day-to-day activities and everything. Those who have been preferring, those who have been like passionate of engineering. You know, when we talk about engineering, it is civil engineering, mechanical engineering. Everything behind these engines, it is mechanical engineering. So we don't need to like much talk about everything here. In case you prefer engineering, you know about the field engineering. So I'm being like simply talking the matters here. So when we consider about civil engineering, all the skyscrapers and those buildings simply is the magics of civil engineering. Then the chemical engineering, material engineering, we have so many other fields, computer science and engineering. And recently added in Sri Lankan state universities, biomedical engineering. Um, yeah, so I mean, I'm basically like mentioning here about the state university degrees as I've been like graduated by state university as well. So my main focus is for you to make a target uh, for the entrance to a state university. That should be your target. It had been my target as well. That is exactly why I'm here. That is exactly why I got the entrance of for a state university. So that should be our target, by the way. Like regardless of the stream you choose. So the children, those who have chosen commerce, arts as well, you can still watch this video and ask questions. By the way, those who have been passionate of engineering, as I have talked to you, you must choose maths. Because without maths, you don't have any engineering. Maths is the foundation for engineering. So let us talk about A-level combined maths. By the foundation, we start combined maths. And throughout the years, you will learn how to solve the things with the time by using strategies, tactics and everything. So for a question, you may have like different answers. But out of those answers, with a time frame, within a time frame, you must be able to give the most suitable answer. So for that practice, for your patience, for the concentration, everything, you will be practiced to be a perfect engineer here. To get entrance for the engineering, the perfect, in my opinion, the platform is A-level combined maths, A-level maths stream. Plus, those who have been preferring, those who didn't know about like anything regarding to engineering, so I know your feeling because I had been the same person. At the start of A-level, I didn't know anything about engineering, but you have more updates than my generation, by the way. It doesn't matter still if you don't know about something about engineering. Because, yeah, the thing is, those who have been passionate in mathematics, but you don't have much of an idea of engineering. So still, this is obviously the stream for you, math stream. Those who feel like I prefer to do maths over anything, yes, this is your field. So by the way, when you choose math stream, you know that you have to choose, I mean, obviously, no choice in maths and physics. Those are the compulsory subjects for the math stream. Out of chemistry and IT, you have to have a choice. Those who have that strong passion to get selected for the engineering, for the entrance of the engineering, you must choose chemistry, because chemistry is like really really important for you for engineering. When you go for, especially when you go for mechanical engineering, you have to learn about all the matters. When you go for an engine, you have to learn about all those materials and everything before going to be that professional engineer. Then the civil engineer, obviously, all about the buildings and uh, like all the construction processes. Then material and chemical engineers as well. So in case your passion is on those engineering, like basically I mean in particular marine engineering, aerospace engineering, aeronautics, and aircraft engineering, yeah, you must have that ability of chemical, the chemistry, and of course electrical engineering, electronics engineering, that chemistry. I mean, why like our so let us say our responsible persons have added IT. I mean, in our years, it was just chemistry, but with IT, you know that the evolution in the society, the the influence it has made. Uh, Recently, it is like more influence with AI, artificial intelligence. So when we consider about those who are preferring IT field, I mean, you need to go for the computer science, information technology regarding degrees, AI, networking. So basically, those who don't like to do chemistry, those who were struggling with science in O level, right? So yeah, so it. I mean, it is not. I mean, I can't strongly recommend for you to go for IT over chemistry. But if you like to do the engineering, particular civil, mechanical, electronics, electricals, and everything, you must do chemistry. But I know the feelings as I've been like working with children over 14, 15 years. So those who don't prefer science, like those like the studying parts and everything, but you prefer IT, programming languages, all those uh, all those like IT stuff, you can choose IT. I don't say you must choose IT. You can choose IT and you can go for, you can get selected for IT related degree, AI related degree. Yeah, that is going to be the summary. By the way, last but not least, you must choose, regardless of what we say, what your parents say. But remember, don't like leave anything without giving an importance, because still you are children. Because the teachers and parents might be knowing about you uh, like properly, but still as like you are still, I mean, you are about to become adults, that adults age. I mean, I think you are 16. So you have to give yourself the chance to choose your subject, but listen to the others as well. But I mean to say that more than everything, it does matter of your opinion, of your selection, because you know about you more than everyone. So whatever you have been passionate of, let us say mathematics or engineering, just choose what you prefer. Those who the children who prefer commerce, just choose commerce. Those who like to do your jobs in commerce field, those who are passionate of art fields, just choose that. Because when you go and when you have to go and do a job, it does matter about your passion and your enthusiasm. Otherwise the job will be the living hell for you. Obviously, that is simply what it is. So just choose, because we study obviously to enhance our life, our lifestyle. By the way, at the same time, we need to do a job as well for the living. So get chosen whatever uh, the passion, which has been the passion for you over everything. Good luck, everyone. We'll meet again. Ask any question.